Hi friends, this is Sarah. Welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. I went back to Tuesday morning. I went late last week and she told me they'd have their truck unloaded Wednesday morning, and I was looking for more Prima, especially Flirty Fleur, and the only thing I found was these chipboard stickers, $2.49, and there's 57 pieces. There's two sides. I'm not sure I'll use like shopping and Happy Mail, maybe, I don't know. But the flowers are gorgeous and they have some iridescent foil on them and a bit of the coloring there. So I'm still looking for the Flirty Fleur paper. There wasn't any Prima paper in the store. I didn't see any, and I think they were all unpacked. There was one cart, but other than that, it looked like they were unpacked. There was so much Jen Hadfield in my store, you guys. I couldn't believe it. And it was funny because I think it was just this morning I finally opened up the Along the Way collection that Tasha from A Date with My Craft Room sent me and made a card, and then I went and they had everything. So I got the stickers. I didn't need the stickers because Tasha sent me so many beautiful embellishments, and I resisted the urge to buy the whole collection again because I already have the paper. You know how that goes. You don't need to hoard it, but it does have some nice blue. But what I did instead was I bought My Bright Life because it still has the blue, and then it's not exactly the same. I don't have the same thing. And they just, like I said, they had so much. Okay, so here's My Bright Life, the paper pad, and it's, as Donna said, brighter. It's Jen Hadfield style, but with a little bit brighter colors. So you still get like the brown and the earth tones, gorgeous foiling and florals, and really, really fun. Ooh, look at that. There's some good stuff in here. I'm excited for it. I didn't open it up and flip through it, but I just thought I would like to have some more Jen. Oh, I just love that one. I'd like to have some more Jen Hadfield, and I thought, well, I shouldn't buy the same exact one. So I got the paper, the stickers that go with it. Oh, watch this. It's ridiculous. These are stickers, embellishments, and they have wood trim on them. And I love wood, so I had to get them. And then I got the ephemera, and I think that was it for that collection. Yeah. And I haven't decided for sure if this is for me or for Happy Mail. That's why I bought, like, normally I probably wouldn't buy the ephemera pack, but $1.99, it was so cute. If I do it for Happy Mail, I'll probably have to open up those stickers just because I don't really know how to mail stuff that big very well and not have it get beat up. Then look at these. So I was making a video of the shelves about the time I started to leave, and I thought, how did I miss these? There was just so much stuff. So these are wood veneers, and technically they go with Along the Way. So that's this collection with all the blue and the flowers. But they're just cute, and because they're natural colors, they will go with everything. So you have, you know what? We're going to open these bad boys up. We're not just going to look at the package. And I hope that, you know, other people have the opportunity. There's 20 of them in the pack, and they were $2.49. And I think for wood pieces, that's pretty darn good. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I don't need bling or sequins. Well, I probably didn't need these either, but look how cute they are. I think that adding wood is like adding ribbon or sequins. It just adds some, oops, I feel like something here. Yeah, that maybe is broken. I don't know what's going on. It's okay. We can work with it. Thinking of You. Well, you know, they're not stamped great, you guys. Look at that. It's crooked, and it bled a little. Let's see. Love Always. That one's in better shape. Of course, I'm more likely to use Thinking of You. Celebrate. With Love. Happy Day. Those are in good shape. Home is not a place, it's a feeling. Hello, Friend. Let's Stay Home. The home ones I'm probably less likely to use, but when in doubt, you could turn it around and use the back of it. Because I don't think I'm going to make you a card that says Hello, Home. And I think I already did scrapbook pages with a collection like this that's all about home. I don't remember if it was this actual It wasn't along the way, for sure. So anyway, I think those were really fun. I'm not sorry I bought 2, but I'm glad I didn't buy more. Just because if some of them are going to be crooked. I'm sad that the Thinking of You doesn't look very nice. Of course, you can turn it over and use the back, put a sticker on it, something, if you get one and it's a bum, you know, bad stamp or something. Okay, so we got the My Bright Life. Let's get that out of the way. These butterflies, I don't know if they were supposed to go with a collection. They just say butterfly stickers. There's 8 of them. They were $2.49. It's not the best deal ever, but they're pretty cool because they're 2 layers and translucent, and some of them have the gold, and I think they just go with lots of stuff. So I thought, got to get at least one of those. Even if I don't keep them, I'm sure one of my friends would love them. Then I got a mini scoreboard. I know that Noni picked one of these up recently. I don't know what she paid, maybe $10. And I was thinking about it, and I think I would like this sometimes for videos. In fact, I made a video today where I was making small pockets for journals, and I probably would have used this. It was pretty cute. They also had the cutest little mini envelope punch board. It was like $8, and I didn't need it, but oh my gosh, it was ridiculously cute. So that's what I got at Tuesday morning. I am shopping more this week because I have days off. So I have time to shop. That always happens to me. And I'm very likely, I'm going to be honest with you, to go on a hunt for more of the Flirty Fleur because I'm going on a bit of a road trip this weekend. So along the way, we'll see what I come up with. Not along the way, the collection. Haha. Then I just wanted to show you what I got at Hobby Lobby. Not much at all, but I looked for the orange tags. Look at this. Have you seen these giant ink pads before? They've been around. This is a small one. This is a regular size one. And this is the size of this thing. Okay? $2.99. Regularly $11.99. Andy Mess, my friend, had mentioned that something about these big ink pads, and I said, oh yeah, I've seen them. So when I saw it on clearance, I was like, hey, do you want one? They had watering can and cobalt, and my friends were very surprised that I wasn't going to bring home cobalt, but I of course have cobalt, and my other friend Noni has a regular size cobalt, so I didn't need more, but I was tempted. So I got that for her. I got the Memento fade resistant dye ink for me just because I have some really old inks, and when I was cleaning my craft room I threw some out. For $1.49 I got myself a new brown rich cocoa dye ink. Dye inks are great for blending and edges, and if you want to do aged journals or anything like that, they're just great. For $1.49 I'll take a nice ink pad. I'm not saying just because you see an ink pad for $1.49 you should buy it. This is a brand I know, and it's good quality. Okay, there are ink pads out there for 99 cents that I don't want. Then the last thing I got at Hobby Lobby was the Paper Studio spare parts, $1.24 for 9 cute little dimensional embellishments. They're really heavy. They're really cute. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I have a couple of ideas. Look at that blue one. That's cute. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a fabulous week. I have been doing some projects, as you can tell, and I'm making a video of a DIY project that I hope is going to turn out okay. My husband is still wondering why I brought this piece of furniture home. I have a lot of videos in the pipeline, so I hope you're having a great week and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.